Two birds of beautiful plumage, inseparable companions, sat upon the same tree, one on the top and one below. The beautiful bird below was eating the fruits of the tree, sweet and bitter, one moment a sweet one and another a bitter. The moment he ate a bitter fruit, he was sorry, but after a while he ate another, and when it too was bitter, he looked up and saw the other bird, who ate neither the sweet nor the bitter, but was calm and majestic, immersed in his own glory. And then the poor lower bird forgot, and went on eating the sweet and bitter fruits again, until at last he ate one that was extremely bitter, and then he stopped again, and once more looked up at the glorious bird above. Then he came nearer and nearer to the other bird, and when he had come near enough, rays of light shone upon him and enveloped him, and he saw he was transformed into the higher bird. He became calm, majestic, free, and found that there had been but one bird all the time on the tree. The lower bird was but the reflection of the one above. So we are in reality one with the Lord, but the reflection makes us seem many, as when the one sun reflects in 1,000,000 dewdrops and seems 1,000,000 tiny suns. The reflection must vanish if we are to identify ourselves with our real nature, which is divine. The universe itself can never be the limit of our satisfaction. That is why the miser gathers more and more money. That is why the robber robs, the sinner sins. That is why you are learning philosophy. All have one purpose. There is no other purpose in life save to reach this freedom. Consciously or unconsciously, we are all striving for perfection. Every being must attain to it.